Hello and welcome back to Project Bumble. Behind me we've got my 1979 Mini 1000 that we've been working on. If you haven't seen any other episodes, go down in the description and I'll put links to all the other parts. I think we're on part 7 now, so yeah, we're just going to carry on working on the Mini. We've got a bit more to clean up under that boot floor, cut out some rust and hopefully fill some gaps. So yeah, we'll crack on with that now. So you can see we've got a couple of bits still to clean up here before we can patch in this corner, and similar kind of thing on the other side, just where this where that corner closing panel mounted to. So got to clean up that and then we can start patching those corners. So while we're down this area, let's have a look at filling these holes here. So we need a good strong lip here really. So I'm going to cut out probably about to here, and then it needs to go up a little bit as well because there's a bit of a hole here. Right, cardboard. What we're going to do is we're just going to get a rough shape, get our Sharpie, leave a little bit extra on the inside, and just draw this nice profile.
This is a Ryan Little production.
So that's how you make a little card repair. And now we just need to use some of the bits of metal I've got laying around. You know, similar to what Matt Green's doing, we just want to reuse stuff that we've already got to save me having to buy metal. I did. There you go. Come over to the bench. Right, so this is a bit of old floor pan that I had left over, and we should be able to squeeze that right on the end there, cut that out nicely, and then we'll see if we can get that in. Oh, and thanks for people saying about needing to leave the nitromors on longer. I put it on there, I'm just going to leave it for a while. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll see. Bought these the other day from Aldi, I think it was. On one of my last videos when I was doing the subframe jig, I struggled to drill a hole big enough because I think 10mm is my biggest drill bit. So bought these, but I haven't needed to use them until now. Well, they're fancy, aren't they? So what they are is just, if you haven't seen them before, step drills. So they're really good for sheet metal, just where you want to start with a small hole and then you can just keep getting up. And it looks like it's about 12mm hole, so I'll just go with the smallest for now. Alright, and there you go. Cut quite nicely to our pattern there. That hole drill is brilliant. So, using sticky spray glue is a great tip, by the way. If you don't use that, I find it works pretty well. Right, back over to the cut. Right, so after messing around for what feels like forever, you end up with a nice little patch piece that looks like this. Thinking about it, I could have done this whole section here as well in the same bit, but oh well. So let's get this welded on then. Couple of tacks to kind of hold it in the right place. This edge is going to be a fun bit. I think I might get my little bit of copper backer. I'm going to put you guys in time lapse, I think. There you go, one welded in edge. I think it's not too bad, it's still a bit hot, but it's definitely solid. I mean, it's on there, for sure. I did try and get the seam cover off, but it's well and truly on there and I don't really want to disturb it too much, so I'm just going to weld in behind it and hope for the best, really. I know I said I was going to do it from underneath for less cleanup, but I wanted to show you guys and you can't really see too much under there. So we'll go with what we got. Happy days. I just had a message from George Knaps. Hi George. He said he's got the valance closing panel, so he said he's got one of those going spare, so I might have a look at that. Might help me rather than making a whole panel. Might be easier just to buy it off him, so go and check out his channel. I'll post a link. I like shouting out other people. Cool. Let's give it a little grind down. I'm pretty chuffed with myself there, not gonna lie. Pretty happy with that. Started doing on the other side as well. So got that cut out. Follow me over here. Well, you don't have a choice. You're coming with me. There you go. So obviously that's the old one. There's a bit missing, quite a bit. And there's the new bit that I made up. Exactly the same as the other one. So bit of cardboard, bit of metal. There you go. Lovely job. Alright, and there's the other side welded in. Pretty pleased with that. Oh, obviously the welds aren't that great, but it should clean up nicely. I ended up not needing a bit up the side like the other side, but yeah, there you go. More welding ticked off the list. Yeah, so thanks for watching. That's a couple of jobs off the list. We're cutting out more rust and getting more fresh metal in, so that's exactly what we want to be doing. Another note, I did get in contact with George Knapp. He's another YouTuber, if you check out his channel, and he actually is going to give me that valance closeout panel. he's got one spare, so he said he's just going to send it to me, so that's incredibly generous. Thank you very much, George. I'm sure we can meet up sometime. I think he lives quite close to my grandparents, so next time I'll go visit, I'll pop in and you might see me over on his channel. So cheers for that, George, and thanks everyone for watching. Cheers, bye. Hi Matt, please don't feel that you must use the power. You won't be offended or something. All the best of George. This is nice power from George Napper. Oh look, you've even given me some cutting discs. What a lovely guy. Thanks, George.